Good day, this is Arthur. This is a short video discussing one of the new functionality of Salesforce, View a User's Access Summary. We would be able to access this feature by going to Setup. Once we're in Setup, we go to simply find Users and click on Users. And we need to click into a specific user. At the lower portion, we would be able to click on View Summary. If we click this, we would be on this page. And as you can see, you would have the access summary on the bottom of the page. Before, if you want to have access or check the permissions of the user, you would need to look into the profile of that user, check the features or the permissions that user has, and also check the permission sets. Now, when you're in this tab, you'd be able to view all of them. If you want to check if if the user has a permission to access reports, simply type in reports. As you can see, you can easily distinguish that he has reports, and you don't have to go to the profile and each of the permission sets to check if the permission is granted to any one of those. You would always be able to also go to the other tab, and from the object permission, you'd also be able to go through the permissions the user has for read, create, edit, delete, etc. You don't have to go to the profile as well as permission sets to check if the user is granted access to that specific object. You would also have field permission. This down, you can drill to an object, and you'd be able to see the field level of security the user has. Going now to custom permissions, this is also where you'd be able to find custom permissions for public. Instead of going the long way around on going to public groups, going inside and checking if that user is a member, as well as in queues, if he's a member, you simply have to go to that specific tab, public group. And as you can see, the user is a member of this group. And if you want to check if he's a member of a queue, you simply go to the queue membership tab. And that's it.